Assalamu alaikum guys. Let's discuss about implementation and evaluation strategic plans. Implementation. This phase of the planning process answers the following queries. How do we execute the plan? How is it responsible with which activity? How do we determine whether plans are implemented as planned? Then what is implementation? Implementation is the act of carrying out the plans, programs, and projects in accordance with the strategic plan in order to attain the sets of goals and objectives. It is in this context that strategic quality management is assured to cause these changes to happen and be implemented. It is to be recalled that SQM is the process by which an organization formulates plans, objectives, and strategies. Strategic planning allocates resources for plans, programs, and projects and identifies uncountable entities, managers, and frontline workers in the implementation, monitoring, and evaluation of said plans and programs. More particularly, therefore, the component on strategic control has to be mobilized to implement the formulated strategic plan. The suggested contents of this phase of the planning process are structure and governance, institutional and individual accountability, plan financing, plan execution, which further include two steps: preparation of annual plans and annual budget estimates, monitoring of programs and projects. Structure and governance. For any organization to be able to operate and attain the purposes for which it was created, it has to have its formal structure. Formal structure is the established pattern of a relationship among the component units of the organization. The structure of an organization serves these three basic functions. First, structure designates formal reporting relationship, including the number of levels in the hierarchy and the span of control, managers, and supervisors. Second, structure identifies the grouping together of individuals into departments and of the different departments into the total organization. Third, structure includes the design of system to ensure effective communication, coordination, and integration of efforts across departments. Institutional and individual accountability. The major structure that implement the various programs and projects in the plan are the component colleges, academic units, divisions, institutes, centers, and other units in the university or college. Accountable academic executives, managers, and administrative officers of major programs and projects should be so identified and their functions and responsibilities specified. Plan financing. Financial requirements of strategic plan, whether this is a 5-year or 10-year plan, should be included in this section. It should indicate in summary table the projected amount by calendar or academic year broken down into current operating expenses and capital outlay. If data are available for personal services and maintenance and other operating expenditure, including them would give implementers the wide perspective of proposed budgets. Plan execution. The organizational structure through the organizational chart delineates relationship between individuals in the organization and identifies which positions have power in which decisions are made and in which the organizational activities are carried out. Resources in terms of manpower and projected budgets are allocated for each program and project in the plan. Having spelled out all of these, the next logical step is the implementation of the plan. Plan execution requires the preparation of annual actual plans and their corresponding annual budgets, estimates, and monitoring of programs and projects. Preparation of annual action plans and budget estimates. The implementation of a long-term plan requires the preparation of annual action plan and its corresponding annual budget estimates for every beginning and operating year of the entire coverage of the long-term plan. Monitoring of program and projects. Monitoring is the process of reporting system directed to gather information on the utilization of the project's inputs, on the unfolding of the project activities, on timely generation of project outputs, and on circumstances that are crucial to the efficient and effective implementation of the plan. This would provide feedback and devise corrective measures which can be executed at the right time by project manager and implementers. evaluation and plan updates. This is the final step phase of the strategic planning process. It seeks to answer the following questions. How do we determine whether our goals and objectives are achieved? Are they measurable and attainable? A good strategic plan would not be complete if it does not have a framework for its own evaluation. Evaluation as a component of strategic plan provides engine that makes strategic planning a cyclic and continuous process. This demonstrated by their program and project outputs and outcomes in terms of effects and impact, which are all recycled as inputs in the planning process. Evaluation is the process of analyzing program and project input transformation processes and the effect and impact of outputs and outcomes against explicitly stated goals and objectives. It seeks to identify the factors which are related to the performance and effectiveness of specific program and project to determine their feasibility, to develop solution to problems in implementation and in to develop more effective program or project in the future. What distinguishes evaluation from monitoring is that it goes beyond collection of data on relationship between program inputs and outputs, but rather seeks to determine the effects and impact of the program or project. Thank you.